and welcome back to my channel. My name is Keely, and this week I'm going to show you how to take a Star Wars duvet and turn it into a one-of-a-kind dress. So without any further ado, let's dive on.
Here is the gorgeous duvet in all of its glory. The first step is to remove the sides from each other. Then to start cutting the pattern pieces out. Followed by the lining pieces, and finally the interfacing.
Alright, so here is how the dress is looking so far. I've gotten to the point where I just need to sew the skirt onto the bodice and put the zip in and it's done. However, it is at this point that I realised, hey, I should put pockets in it. So now I'm going to unstitch the sides here and add some pockets in it using my favourite pocket pattern.
But first, let's unpick those freshly sewn seams.
Alright, so pockets in. Back to the normal sewing.
It was at this point that editor Keely realised she had lost all the footage for sewing in the lining. So sorry about that, but really it is just the same as making the bodice, but, you know, sewing it in reverse. I found these really cute Star Wars buttons, and with your help via a poll on Instagram, you helped me decide which colours to use.
So there you have it. That is how I turned the Star Wars duvet into a pretty awesome dress. Now I'm really happy with how this dress turned out. I think this is the 4th time I have made a dress using this particular pattern. It's one of my all-time faves. What I'm really happy about is the awesome buttons on the back. I think that the Darth and the Stormtrooper buttons on the back are such a fantastic touch. And if you like this dress, I've got good news for you. I am selling this one, so if you'd like to purchase it, please send me a DM either here on Instagram or on my website. And if you did like this dress but you aren't the same size as me, I have so many duvets. I am hoarding them, okay? I am more than happy to do custom dresses to your measurements, so also send me a DM on either of those platforms and we can get talking. Please let me know if you enjoyed this particular video. I would love to make duvet dresses a series on here because as you've seen I've got so many of them and I have so many patterns that I'm yet to use. So yeah, let me know if you've enjoyed it and I will do more of these. Anyway, that's it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back next week. I always try and upload something on a Friday or thereabouts. It's usually crafting, sewing, or having fun. So anyway, until next week, bye!